Greetings everybody, in this video I will be teaching you how to get Patreon promo codes, discount codes or free access accounts. So without further ado, let's just dive in. So most of the time what is happening, the content that different type of influencers are posting on their socials or social media accounts, like for example the biggest platform YouTube, there are a lot of time when the Patreon creator is going to be providing different discounts, so more people can simply opt in. You can see we have discounts for Patreon supporters, like for example this guy is offering. Below you can see we have much more going on in here. So this is the best way to get authentic and 100% real Patreon discount codes and coupons that is going to be helping you to join into their creators plan. Of course, if you simply see that the Patreon is a paid platform, and to simply access the content that the creator is posting, you are going to be needing to pay a plan. You can see we have supporter, we have $5 a month, then we have big supporter, $10 a month. So these tiers are basically customizable by the creator. They can simply enhance the price or decrease it whatsoever, or maybe give you a discount on their official channels and social media handles. So make sure to have an eye on to that account that they are running. They might offer some kind of coupons or discount codes that can help you join into their content. So that is the only way that you can do it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you guys around in the next video.